Think skipping oil changes was bad? It gets worse. And if you haven't watched part 1, make sure to check it out. The link is right in the I button. Let's continue with 3 more maintenance mistakes that can silently destroy your ride. First, neglecting your transmission fluid. Transmission fluid keeps gears lubricated and prevents overheating. But over time, it breaks down and loses effectiveness. Ignore it and you'll start noticing rough shifts, slipping gears, and eventually, total transmission failure. And trust me, transmission repairs are not cheap. Second, poor tire maintenance. Not rotating your tires or ignoring tire pressure leads to uneven wear. This reduces traction, affects handling, and increases the risk of blowouts. Plus, underinflated tires hurt your fuel efficiency, costing you more over time. Third, neglecting your car battery. Corrosion, weak charge, or old age can leave you stranded without warning, and it usually happens at the worst possible moment. These may seem like small things, but together, they can lead to serious damage and expensive repairs. Transmission fluid neglect equals costly failure. Poor tire care equals unsafe driving plus higher costs. Ignoring battery equals unexpected breakdowns. Stay consistent with maintenance and your car won't just survive, it'll perform at its best. And don't forget, check out part 1 in the I button if you missed it.